Hello and welcome to Marketing Chairside. I am so excited to be joined today with Dr. Pamela Marzban. How
Hello,
are you
everyone.
doing?
Oh,
Hello,
I'm
hello.
great.
We
Good to
are
see you again,
excited to
Jonathan.
talk about your sleep panel discussion that you were moderating. I was kind of picturing dentists just getting out of control and you having to regulate because they're just going crazy. Who
There will
is
be a
this
lot of
panel
excitement.
discussion for?
I am super excited about our panel discussion as well. And this panel discussion is a general session meeting. So that means everyone's invited. We want the doctors to be there. We want the team to be there because it is truly for the team and doctors. This is for anybody that does neuromuscular dentistry or is interested in it, but it's truly about sleep. It's not so much about occlusal philosophy and talking about TMD. That's not in it at all. It is just all about sleep and how different people are successful treating patients.
Awesome. And so, can you tell me about some of the issues that some of these dentists, maybe give us a little teaser on some of the questions you're going to ask so that they can know, oh, I have that problem and they're going to help me solve it?
Jonathan, I can't give away all my goodies,
Oh, come
okay?
on, just a little bit.
All right, let me start by saying that first thing, we have 5 incredible different dentists joining us. We have Jeff Horowitz, we have Bill Hang, we have Jeff Haddad, we have Kent Smith, and we have Dr. Nicole Shanae. Now, if you guys know your doctors in the area and you guys are familiar with these experts, you know they have completely different philosophies, okay? So again, it's not about occlusion, it's about sleep. And all of these doctors treat predominantly sleep in their practice, and they're super successful. So the questions that I'll be targeting towards them is, why did you get into sleep to begin with? Why is this important to you? Um, what kind of business models do you have? What kind of clinical success are you getting? Is this successful business wise? Um, who are you collaborating with? What devices are you using? How is the team managing it, and what are their rules in the whole process? Medical billing, um, and just what's your follow-up protocol, successes, failures, just all around, like what's working for you. Because as dentists, we see our patients more than the medical profession does, and we screen the oral environment all the time. And the ADA has even asked us and has quoted that this is our responsibility to look for, hold on, I think my Siri just popped up, to look for and be the first to diagnose sleep. So whether people treat sleep or not, or maybe a doctor is curious and wants to know how to begin, or for those of us who've been treating sleep for a long time, this is what this panel's about. It's like a big collaboration of minds to see what's working in their offices and what's not.
Man, I hope the International College of Craniomandibular Orthopedics leadership has like a cleanup crew standing by because I think you're gonna like just blow some dentists' minds and they're like, I can't keep it all in here. That sounds
It
amazing.
what's cool about these speakers is that they're exciting, they're fun, and they're real. So it's going to feel more like, camaraderie, like friends talking about what's going on. So even if you don't get it all in, that's okay. Most of these panel speakers will also be speaking throughout the conference, so you can talk to them, ask questions afterwards. They're super approachable people. I've heard all of them speak. That's why they're invited. They are great dentists and good people.
Yep. I mean, I think that's one of the great things about this meeting. I was talking with Tracy Abel, and she was talking about the collaboration, the community, just helping one another. And,
Right.
it sounds like this is just going to be an extension of that.
That's what we're hoping for, is just, put away occlusal philosophies and let's focus on sleep disorder breathing. Because, Jonathan, I mean, right now they estimate that people in the world, like worldwide, um, 1/7 of the population suffers from some type of sleep disorder breathing. And I want you to keep in mind that if they're saying 1/7, those are maybe 1/7 of the people who were diagnosed or had access to be diagnosed correctly. It doesn't include all the people that truly suffer. So it is a true pandemic. And sadly, it's not going to be one that will be corrected, not in my lifetime anyway. But if we can get all of dentistry pulling together and at least diagnose or say there may be a problem here, let's just get a simple sleep test. Whether you want to treat that patient or not, that's what it's about. Let's help more people.
Absolutely. And I think the one thing that we just need to make sure everyone knows is, when is this panel? How can people come to check it out?
That's something I definitely don't want to keep a secret, because I want to invite everybody listening to come to Louisville. This is a general session, so everybody is invited. It is at 8 a.m. on Saturday. We are celebrating our conference October 13th through the 15th. So Saturday is the last day. Make sure you stay for that and bring your team. Even if you're tired from the night before, because we do have fun at our conference, get your butts there. I want to see you there.
That's right. Not too much Kentucky bourbon. We're here to learn. Dang it.
That's
well,
right.
Pam, thank you so much for coming on the show. It's been a pleasure. And yeah, I'm going to invent some other reason to have you back, because you're just one cool cat.
Thanks, Jonathan. It's always great to see you and talk with you. You are amazing.
Thank you. Well, and if you're watching, thanks for watching. Be sure to go to ICCMO.org to register for the event. We're going to be there. We're actually platinum sponsors because we believe so much in what ICCMO is doing, and you owe it to yourself, no matter what walk-in dentistry you are in, wherever you're on your journey, to be there and absorb everything with us. And if you enjoyed this show, please like, surprise? You can surprise us too. Comment and do all that great social stuff, please, to help us get the word out, because we're just about gearing up dentists just like you. And until next time, I'll see you around.